In this short breakdown, we show how computational design transforms a simple surface into an optimized, fabrication-ready grid shell. The workflow starts with parametric form generation. Grasshopper controls curvature, geodesic lines, and structural patterns, creating a buildable geometry with full fabrication logic embedded. Once the form is set, the system automatically extracts fabrication drawings. Every plank is unrolled, labeled, and dimensioned, ready for CNC or manual production, with no manual drafting. Structural analysis in Caramba tests utilization, displacement, and axial stress. This ensures the grid shell performs as expected before fabrication begins.